This is Tuesday the 17th of March 2026. And the Arsenal's looking there. Tanya was with Zawaya, but she's gone off now.
What's over there, is it?
Yeah, it's over there. Yeah.
You wasted all your time. I couldn't be up there saying look to mares.
Yeah.
I'll hang around 2 weeks.
I'll pause video. Will you pause video? Well, I wait here while you go over there. I'm offering you 10. You've only said.
No, but I don't like fucking going on voice overs even.
Yeah.
I like to be on camera.
Here, more stuff. The stuff coming now, look.
What?
Stuff coming now. Stuff coming now. Pause video. Tanya. Coming now. To this field. To this field.
What?
Into this field.
Oh,
Yeah. I'll try and get it from this angle. You go around that way, right? Pause video.
Just film the mares.
Quickly, Tanya.
Just film the mares.
Hurry up! Hurry up!